Algebra 1, we're going to graph single variable, so just one variable, compound inequalities using and or. Compound means combined, right? So this means, this is saying x is less than 4 and x is greater than -2. So and as an operator is about overlap. And means they both have to be true at the same time. So if I take a peek at just this space here, let's put -2 here and 4 here. This says x is less than 4, so that would be, I'm going to change that to greater than or equal to just so I get a little mix up here. X is less than 4 looks like this. X is greater than or equal to -2 looks like this. Now notice that keeps going on forever in that direction. That keeps going on for that direction. But since it's an and, it has to be both at the same time. So it's wherever there's overlap is my answer for and. So this is closed, this is open, and it's between them. These numbers in here are the numbers that are both less than 4 and greater than or equal to -2, right? And means it has to be both at the same time. Now, or is just a bucket. Or just means it just has to be one of the two. So here's 5, here's 9. X is less than or equal to 5. That looks like this. Or x is greater than 9. So with an or, it just needs to be one of the two. So anything that's in this region or anything that's in this region makes it work. So notice with that or, I just grab everything that it says. I don't have to worry about overlap. So and is about overlap. Or is about just grabbing everything. Now sometimes with these types of questions, funny things can happen. So like if I think about this one again, and instead of an or, let's say that had an and in here. So just say and. X is less than or equal to -5, which looks like this, and x is greater than 9. There's no number that does both of these at the same time. So this and statement, there's no overlap. We say there's no solution. And the graph is just the number line without anything highlighted on it. Similarly, if I get over onto this one, and I change this to an or, x is less than 4, which looks like this. X is greater than or equal to -2, which looks like this. Notice that like between the two, they cover the whole number line. They cover everything. So here I would say any real number, anything works. It's the whole number line.